Hi, I'm Alyssa Willson, a Forest Community Ecologist at the University of Notre Dame. Today, I'll provide the update for the Education Working Group. Before beginning, I'd like to give a shout out to Olivia Tabares and Jody Peters, who helped me make this presentation. The heart of the Education Working Group lies in our monthly meetings. The goal of these meetings is to build a community of educators and practitioners who think about how to share the concepts and skills involved in ecological forecasting with undergraduate and graduate students. Our main approach for the last couple of years is to offer support to working group members who are working on their own education-related projects. This could be providing feedback on resources that others are working on or collaboratively working on a project that improves ecological forecasting education. We're really open to anything. And the main outcome from the Education Working Group's approach is to build resources for students and educators as a community. Next, I'll highlight some of the projects we've done in the past, some resources we've created as a group, and a project that we just started working on. One working group member, Olivia Tabares, has leveraged the data and infrastructure from the Neon Forecasting Challenge to introduce a real-world example into her population ecology course at the National Autonomous University of Mexico. She has specifically worked on improving students' skills in areas such as data wrangling, R programming, statistical modeling, and data visualization. She's next planning on integrating a module about forecasting ethics into her course to broaden the forecasting topics that she covers. The chair of the Education Working Group, Jason McLaughlin, in partnership with Georgia Smees from Salish Kootenai College, recently developed a data analysis course that intentionally incorporates traditional ecological knowledge at Salish Kootenai College, a tribal college in Montana. The incorporation of traditional ecological knowledge into this course allowed students to mix quantitative and qualitative information, as well as different ways of knowing, to more holistically represent the relevant stakeholders and decisions to be made in a water quality data analysis project. Finally, I have been working on a project to collate and analyze educational resources related to ecological forecasting. I use the existing educational resources to identify opportunities to improve the availability and accessibility of resources related to ecological forecasting at multiple levels, from online resources to courses related to ecological forecasting. For more information on my project, I encourage you to watch my recorded talk from yesterday, which I believe will be available on YouTube. Before moving on, I want to point out that these are by no means the only projects the Education Working Group has taken on in the past year. I tried my best to highlight a diversity of projects, but please feel free to join the group or contact individual members of the working group to learn more about the large number of projects we have taken on. The Education Working Group has also worked hard to develop educational resources for instructors, administrators, and students interested in ecological forecasting. We really enjoy making these types of resources, so please check out what we have available using the QR code here. And if you have an idea for another helpful educational resource, please contact us to pitch your idea. Finally, I'd like to end with a project that we just started. Abby Lewis, a PhD candidate at Virginia Tech, recently brought a project she has been working on to the group, which involves creating educational modules on ecological forecasting ethics. We are looking forward to collaborating with Abby to produce a publishable product that increases the availability of resources on forecasting ethics for instructors to use in their classrooms. If you're interested in ecological forecasting education or any of the projects I presented, I encourage you to get involved with the group. Our meeting schedule is for the Wednesdays listed on the slide from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Eastern Time this summer. If you can't make the meetings, you can also join us on Slack via the QR code in the middle of the slide, visit our webpage on the EFI website via the QR code on the right, or contact us via the EFI email in the bottom right corner. Thanks for your attention, and we hope to see you.